this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel, and if you're new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. I do throw in a few other things here and there. Okay, well, today is WIP Caddy Wednesday. That means works in progress that are on your WIP carts. Now, some of you guys don't have WIP carts, so whenever you submit your photos, they don't always have to be in a WIP cart. They can just be some, wherever it is that you keep your ongoing projects. How's that go? And we would love to see them. So in today's video, I will be showing some of that. I am drinking, what am I drinking today or this morning? French vanilla coffee this morning in my ho-ho-ho cup. Nothing like the first cup of the day, right, guys? Okay, well, I have a question for you guys. This week, I guess it's been so, busy, the last week of Christmas, and everything's getting tight and getting there. What happens when you lose your Crojo? I would love you guys to leave a comment below of what you do to help you get your Crojo back. So I am looking forward to that. All the answers and all the different ways that you make yourself get your Crojo back. Well, this week, before I show the WIP Caddies, I thought I would go ahead and show what I'm working on first. I am trying to finish up the blanket. Like I said, if I don't finish it by Christmas, it'll be birthday present for March. But this is what I've gotten so far. This is all I really need is some rows of this. It's for the taxi throw. You guys have seen me show this. This is the last part of it, and then I do the border. So I will be done with that pretty quick. And Mary Maxim, they have it's called the November Crochet Along. Ain't doing much November. We're already in December. And it's the last week of December, and they're only on week 3. So I think they kind of got behind on this a little bit. Mary Maxim did. But I'm staying with it. This is, you have week 1 at the bottom, week 2, and then this is week 3. Each of these are 9 inches long. So very simple patterns that I'm really, really liking. They did send this yarn to me. They sent me a mystery bag, and man, it had some beautiful yarns in it. So thank you, Mary Maxim, for that. But I am loving this little, I call it a little sampler scarf, I guess, or something. But I am loving it. I'm loving this yarn. It's called Mary Maxim Glimmer. And the color on this one is, I don't know. They don't really say. Okay, there it is down at the bottom. Baby blue. It says color, but no color. But down here it has the color. Anyway, see the twinkle? The little glitter? Very nice. So thank you, Mary Maxim, for this. I am loving this, and I'm checking your website pretty much daily, refreshing to see when your next part of the pattern is coming out. So they have this in knit, and they have it in crochet. And of course, I'm a crochet girl all the way. I got picked from the YouTube random comment. She did email me back. I'm fixing to give her a secret word, but I would like to say congratulations. In the email, she said her name was Cynthia. So congratulations, Cynthia. And this is what Cynthia will be getting. 2 packs of this and a flash drive with all of my patterns on the flash drive. So she's going to be one busy lady. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and watch the video clip. I do have some Happy Mail. And what else do I have? Happy Mail and, oh yeah, your WIP cards. Happy Mail and WIP cards. So let's go ahead and see the clip on that. This Happy Mail is from my niece. This is from Ashley. This is my sister Barbara. It's her daughter, Ashley. And Ashley, I would just like to say, I love this. It is beautiful, and I was so excited to be able to have this showing in my videos for the week of Christmas. Oh, come let us adore him. It's just beautiful. And then she got me a coffee mug, so I will be able to show that in some of my intro videos coming up. So thank you for that. It is just beautiful. I just love you so much, Ashley, and just thank you so much for this. Very, very appreciative of this. Okay, isn't this some beautiful yarn? Look at this. Tweed Dreams, 100% premium acrylic. Look at that, guys. That's just beautiful. And it's really soft. I like the feel of it. It has a warmth feel of it. Let's see. It's a 3 light, 100% acrylic. Oh, made with love and turkey. How cute. The color is 20. There it is, 109 yards. So I have 4 of these. Aren't they nice? Okay. I wrote down what I was going to make with these and now I forgot. So I'll have to get back with that and see what I was going to make with it. I think a scarf would just be wonderful with it. I think it'd be beautiful. Okay, so now we have Twister, 55% cotton, 45% acrylic. It says solid. The color is 105. There's 437 yards and it's a 2 fine. So this is like really thin for me. So what I plan on doing is putting these two together. And don't know what I'll make with them though. But yeah, they feel really good. It's going to be nice as a wearable. Really nice. So thank you so much, Hobie, for this. I love it. Now here we have Julie's cart. Julie says that on the top shelf she is starting a skirt and the middle shelf has a knitted drop stitch shawl and the bottom shelf has her scrap yarn blanket. And if you go to Facebook group page, she does leave a link for the skirt. And she said that she thinks it's for a child, but she adapts it to fit her. So, yeah, and so Julie has a YouTube channel and she describes the things that she's working on. If you want to go check out her channel, I will leave her link below for you guys. Now, here we have Pam's work. Pam, I love your yarns you have over there. They're so pretty. And looks like you've got quite a few projects going on there. And I thank you for the email that you sent me. And I'll just name off a few things that she's got going. She's got the Lulu ear warmer, men's crochet beanie, a dapper outdoorsman cowl, killer queen shawl, a woolly warm wrister, fingerless gloves, houndstooth beanie, crochet plaid hat, and tons of more projects going on. Girl, you are a lot like me. Thank you so much for sending that in, Pam. Okay, I wanted to show this off. This is Geraldine's. She made 2 sweaters from the Hobie cardigan pattern, which you guys know I just made one and I love it. And I love the colors and stuff that you have, Geraldine. She says that she used Caron lava cakes for both of them. That's a great idea. I didn't even think of that. The red Malta she did in a sweater coat and the brown is just a sweater. The green Afghan is fiber spider pattern. And yeah, you got some beautiful stuff going there, Geraldine. So here we have Jane's cart. She says, hello everyone and Merry Christmas. This is one of the WIP carts that has ongoing projects in it. And the top shelf normally has her crochet buddy sleeping in it, but he's outside at the moment. He's a black cat named Boston Blackie. I like that. She said that she keeps the throw in there for him because he's spoiled. It's the indoors Halloween throw made in autumn colors created by Pamela, by me. It also has the school nativity play pattern and her first doll in it, which is the star. And the second shelf has the yarn for the dolls, and she keeps the crochet hook with it so that she's not looking for one. Not that she don't have more than one of the same size. I do that a lot too myself. The bottom shelf is washcloths that she makes for the seniors at her previous church for the mission trip that they go on every year to minister to the homeless under the bridge in New Orleans. She says she tries to make at least 100. That is so cool. And she says that she loves to crochet and then she enjoys giving to others and for everyone to have a blessed week. Well, you have a blessed week too. Thank you for sharing this. So now we have Patsy's cart. And Patsy says that the top shelf is like her junk drawer, but she just has to show off Gigi the gingerbread doll dress again. And she said that this has to be her favorite doll dress pattern that I have created. And I am so glad that you are enjoying that, Patsy. I had so much fun creating that. So it brings me lots of joy when I see that someone likes my pattern. The second shelf is the berry wrap pattern from the February Crochet World magazine that my pattern's in, and I see you got the yarn, so I'm so excited. I can't wait to see you get yours made. she said that she got tired of waiting on the yarn that's ordered and started one in the spring colors. And the yarn is Red Heart Super Saver Ombre in the color Seaside. The bottom shelf is my pattern, the Easy Pocket Shawl. And she says she just got to sew the pockets on and the beauty is done. This past week, she's finished snowflakes to go on gift bags, a newborn, Santa hat and boots, and some slippers, and for everyone to have a blessed week and Merry Christmas. And yes, she did get the yarn in. I'm so excited. Now here we have Kathleen's lovely card. And oh my gosh, the lighthouses. You know, Kathleen, those are just the most beautiful things I've seen. Okay, so she says that this is her Christmas edition. She says, have a blessed and Merry Christmas to all. She enjoys crocheting these gifts. And let's see, the Lighthouse Crochet pattern is by elisacrochet.com. The cute crochet gift holders are by Sun on IMACARONI.com. And the cozy slippers are my pattern from YouTube and Etsy. And the Flower Patch Dishcloths is by Donnie Spiegel. It's found on the internet and Ravelry. And the Little Christmas Wreath applique is by HeatherCorrine.com. That's CORINNE.com. Her pattern also includes a crochet cup holder to put the applique on, or crochet cup holder to put the applique on. And all patterns she made are free. And she says, thank you to all these great designers and to me. Kathleen, you are very welcome, and your stuff is just lovely. Thank you so much for sharing with us. Wasn't that wonderful? You guys, the lighthouse, oh my gosh. I love lighthouses. And matter of fact, Cynthia May, I don't know if you guys know her, but she does have a YouTube channel. Go check out her channel. That lady sent me a hand-painted picture of a lighthouse, and I have it put up in my bathroom, and it is just gorgeous. So, Cynthia, I have not forgotten you, girl, and I really appreciate that painting that you did for me. I will never, ever, hopefully, I will never, ever lose that picture. It means so much to me. Yeah, so let's see, what else do I have for you guys? Oh, let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer. Conduit of comfort, that we may be able to comfort those who are in any trouble with the comfort with which we ourselves are comforted by God. 2 Corinthians 1:4. God, my comfort, I cannot begin to thank you for your constant presence with me in my pain. When I thought that I was lost in the darkness of the suffering of my soul, you came in with your loving embrace and wrapped me in the presence of your perfect peace. There is no comfort like yours. You fill the cracks of my gaping wounds like a salve that brings peace and healing. God of my own healing and hope, let me reflect your character by being a comforter to those who mourn. May I bring you peace as I meet those who are suffering in their pain. Your love is big enough to meet every person in the reality of their hurt. It is strong enough to heal the most intense wounds. I cannot turn away from others who are suffering, knowing that you never run from the brokenhearted. You bind them up and hold them together. Let me be the same. Lord, unafraid to give pain space to be met by the overwhelming love of the Father. Who is hurting around you that you can offer comfort to? Wasn't that beautiful? I always love it, and I'm so glad that you guys love it. Oh, that's all that I have for this video, guys. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.